This is Andy with the Nail Gun Depot. We have several suggestions for cold weather application. We're talking cold weather. Now, why you want to be outside working in 20 degrees is beyond me, but if you have to, it's not the tools so much that freeze, and it's not the air lines that freeze, it's the couplers primarily. We have several products. No-Tox2 is a conditioner that you can put in a pump to run that through your air lines. It'll keep those couplers open and it'll get into your tools. It'll stay in your tools also. You mix that with your oil, such as a Senko PC1295. That's another cold weather oil application. We've actually found that the PC1295 works great on machine mounted tools that are up north because they do get colder when they're in the fast applications. That would be on like your pallet machines, your roll machines. Anyway, those two products make it easier in the cold weather. To wrap things up, keeping your tool properly lubricated will work better, you get more production, and the tool will last longer.